Hello, everyone. So, welcome to the third week of Nurturing Emotional Intelligence in Children. And today we are going to talk about emotional management. So, are you smarter with feelings? So, today we will check whether our children are smarter with feelings or not. And we'll do some activities that will help them become smarter with feelings. And before that, we will learn what is emotional intelligence. So, emotional intelligence refer to the ability of to recognize, understand and manage emotions both in oneself and in others. It encompasses a set of skills and competencies that enable individuals to navigate their own emotions effectively and relate to others empathetically. So, emotional intelligence involves a combination of self awareness, self regulation, empathy, and social skills. So, we are going to learn all of this in coming months and modules. So, now that you're aware of what is emotional intelligence, let's find out what are emotions. So, emotions can be defined as natural and instinctive response to a situation, characterized by subjective feelings, psychological changes, and observable behaviors. So, there are thousands of emotions that we might feel in various life situations. While some emotions are easy to manage, there are many emotions that are very, very difficult to manage, and we may feel those emotions for a very long time. So, today we will learn various ways to manage difficult and some happy emotions. So, the activities that we are going to share here will help you help children to recognize their own emotions, acknowledge them, and also find ways to deal with these emotions. Emotions are feeling, and today we will see what emotions we are feeling and how we can manage them. So let's move on. All right. So when you feel angry, what happens? Can you brainstorm some actions that you can take while you are feeling angry? So, for example, we have given here, I can go for a run. What else can you do? You can have a drink of water, you can talk to someone, you can do the favorite activity that you really want to do. What else can you do when you are angry to minimize your anger? Acknowledging emotion is very, very important. So now you can give a card to children where they are feeling sad. So I feel sad, and now you can ask children to brainstorm what actions they can take to when they are feeling sad. So here an example is, I can ask for a hug from my parents, from my sister, from my brother, and if not, from my pet dog. Okay, they can do lots of other things that can help you manage their emotion, that is sadness. Children these days feel bored more often. So, again, this card can help them understand what they can do differently to come out of boredom. So, getting bored is another emotion. So, when they are bored, what they can do is, I can find something interesting to do. So, what else they can do to combat that emotion of boredom? They can dance, they can sing, they can play with their friends, they can talk to someone, or whatever they feel. So ask them to write all of those points, or if not, they cannot write, ask them to share it. So, what happens when you feel happy? So, what else can you do when you're feeling really happy? So, one example is, I can dance, I can sing, I can again, play with my friends and just be happy. When you feel frustrated, what actions can you do? So I can talk about it to someone. That's one point. But you can ask children what else they can do. So let them write this on the card, and they will feel more, connected, and they will have more, navigation power from one feeling to other. I feel worried. Children sometimes feel worried when they say things that are going out of control. So they can breathe deeply. What else they can do is, they can talk to someone. They can talk about their what is making them feel worry, or what is the fear inside them. So let them do this. Then I feel curious. A lot of time children are curious, they want to know more. So what they can do when they are feeling curious? So I can conduct research to find more information. I can talk to my teachers, my friends, my parents, and ask about the subject more. So that also helps children to combat the feeling of curiosity. It's a good feeling rather than judging others. If we are curious, we can solve a lot of problems. I feel scared. So brainstorm with children. What makes you feel scared? What can you do to feel better when you're scared? So I can tell someone how I feel. What else can you do? So what you can do is you can share these cards with children and ask them to pick these cards randomly, and then they can write what they can do in different feelings when they are feeling so. So once you have done this activity with children, let them reflect upon what they have just learned. Okay. So what did you learn from today's activity? This is the question we as a coaches ask children, that okay, what did you learn from this activity? Now they can recognize their emotions better and they know what to do in that situation when they are feeling happy, mad, sad, angry, anxious, or bored. What can they do in these situations? So try these activities with children and your students. These activities help children to acknowledge emotions and make them more aware and smarter with feelings. So this is an amazing activity and this helps them recognize emotions and be more emotionally intelligent. So emotional intelligence is being smarter with feelings, and the more we acknowledge our emotions, the more smarter we become. So thank you so much, and we will meet in the next video. And I have attached some of the activities for you to download. Do share with children and do practice with children and let me know how it went. Thank you so much.